My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring you another pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so I thought I'd do my intro real quick while I'm sitting in this horrible Hollywood traffic, which is just always so fun. But on my way to the mall to go pick up these Jordan 12, the Melos. I was on the fence whether I wanted to get these or not. I did wake up this morning and I don't know how, but I hit on the Air Jordan 3 soles. I'll leave that up. My got them. I'll leave that up right next to me so y'all can see that. I was surprised. Like, listen, my sneakers has been on fire lately. So I hit on the white cements. I got exclusive access to that, but even though you get exclusive access, don't mean you're going to automatically hit. So I got exclusive access first, then I hit on the white cements. It was something else. It was something else that I did. I can't remember. There was something else I hit too. I can't remember. Or maybe that was it. Maybe it was something before the white cements that I hit. I can't remember. But I just feel like my sneaker has been on fire right now. That's crazy. After taking all them L's and finally taking some dubs, so that's happy. So I woke up this morning and I hit on the threes, and I was like, yeah. So I will have a review for y'all. I might not, because they said it's scheduled to ship out and be delivered May 27th. If it's here in the morning of May 27th, I got y'all with a review on those. If not, then I'm not gonna do it, because that's when I leave for Japan. I leave for Japan May 27th, that evening time. So, and I don't want to. And I'm gone for a week, so I don't want to do a review a week later. So I try to get that review, y'all. Excuse me, my words all tumbled up. If I can. Yeah. So then that leads to the 12s. I was back and forth, but I have no baby blue shoes. I had a bunch of them, but then I got rid of all of them. So I was like, you know what, Melos, and I love the Melo 2s. Even though I got rid of those. So I was like, you know what, let me get these Melo 12s, whatever like that. So I'm on my way to get these right now. I think they sitting because everybody was worried about the threes. So we're gonna see once we get down here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check on sneakers. I'm gonna put it up right now. Check on sneakers to see if it's even still available. I'll see if that Foot Locker is open. Well, that Foot Locker is not open and nobody's out there yet. So, I mean, but I don't go to the one on Hollywood because it's always so busy. Yeah, I think it's still available with sneakers, so I'm gonna put up on the screen so y'all can see that. But anyway, enough talking. It's like a 3-minute intro. I will be back with the review, and then yeah, just so stay tuned. All right, bag secured. So, all right, so like I said, wanted to see if I could pick these up in store. Didn't want to really go online, but I did put up the video of, I went on the sneakers app and it's still available. Small size was. I'm a small foot person, so my size was still available for sneaker app, but I didn't want to really get it delivered. So I was like, you know, let me go into some Foot Locker and see if they was available. And did y'all see that Jordan 4 that I put up, that woman's Jordan 4 that I added to the video? Those was fire. If they had my size, I would have got those instead of these. Because one, I love 4s. And two, it was the same blue as this blue, but it was in Jordan 4 for me. And I like that little flower that they put right there. But the biggest size they had was a women's 9. I need a women's 10. So they did tell me that Delamo Mall had my size, but Delamo's like 40 minutes away. I'm not driving that far, especially when I got these on. So got in my hand. You already know what it is, but let me just give you all a little review for this real quick. All right, so right off bat, We got the Air Jordan 12 Retro. Color is white, university blue. Suggested retail price, which I haven't done in a long ass time, but it was 200. I think it was either 200 or 215. I think with tax again like 215. But size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right. So try to show y'all this before these dogs start walking by. Boom. Boom. Unwrap all this. All right. So without further ado, close that box. It's a lot going on. Yeah. We got the Air Jordan 12 Melo. Boom. All right, so the Air Jordan 12 Melo. So these are called the Melos because Carmelo Anthony, when he played for the Denver Nuggets, he wore these in games a couple times. He signed the Jordan brand right now. So yeah, so this is one of his like signature PE shoes or whatever like that. I got some information for y'all like I always do. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It'll be up right next to me so you can read along with me. Matter of fact, let me just make sure I do. It'll be up in 3, 2, 1. All right, it's up. So, Jordan Brand will honor longtime athlete Carmelo Anthony by re-releasing the iconic Air Jordan 12 Melo in 2025. This sneaker first debuted in 2024. Melo was drafted in 2023. I mean, not 2023, I'm sorry. Melo was drafted in 2003, excuse me. And I think I said 2024 when I said first debut. I meant first debuted in 2004. Celebrates Melo's rookie season with the Denver Nuggets. It showcases Carmelo's lasting legacy and influence in basketball. The Air Jordan 12 features a premium white leather upper, details on the sidewalls. These details radiate outward like sun rays, enhancing the shoe visual appear. Oh, that's a big word. I don't know what that is, but y'all can. It's on the screen. University blue accents provide a bold contrast, catching the eye immediately. Metallic silver upper eyelets, giving the sneaker a polished look. Functionality is as crucial as aesthetics for the Melo Jordan 12. The shoe boosts herringbone outsole designed for superior traction, ensuring excellent grip on the court. The combination of style and performance makes the sneaker ideal for athletes and sneaker enthusiasts. The Air Jordan 12 Melo will release on May 17th, which is today. It will be available at selected Jordan brand retailers both in-store and online, priced at $200 USD. Okay, there we go, right there. So, oh, you know what? Let me give y'all some. I think it's some more. Oh yeah. In conclusion, the Melo 12 stands as a symbol of Carmelo Anthony and enduring impact on basketball. Its blend of style and functionality makes it a must-have for any sneaker collection. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. May 17th. Retail is $200. There goes some more images of it. And boom. All right. Okay, so. That. All right, so yeah, so white leather upper. Goes for this. Y'all see that? Got that baby blue on the back. Jordan with the Jumpman right there. Got the baby blue Jumpman on the tongue. Got that baby blue guts right there. I like this shoe, man. Outside, the outer sole is baby blue right there. Jumpman on the side right there. Got the silver eyelets right there. White laces. This is a dope shoe. I mean, I think a lot of people, this looks kind of small though. Maybe I should have worn a size 9. I don't know. So I like it. I mean, I like it. It's a good functionality shoe. Very, very, I was about to say cute, but very, very nice looking shoe. But y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a copper drop for y'all. Did y'all hit on sneakers? Did y'all walk into your local store? I think these are going to really, really sit because everybody's going for the Jordan 3s. So, yeah. I think, like I said before, I think everybody was really trying to get the 3s more than these. So these probably gonna sit. I did look on sneakers. We still had them on sneakers in my size. So not y'all big foot people, the little foot people. So anyway, y'all let me know this is a copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below.
Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from your host, Toon, it's your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.